So we're at this W hotel. It's at Sentosa Cove in Singapore. It's the latest addition to Singapore's 5-star hotels. Yeah, so we are today. W is it's another 5-star hotel chain, and we're at Sentosa Cove, right? Those are the W residences. It's apartments. It's also part of this hotel chain. This is the hotel. So your Singapore taxi. So good afternoon at the W. Wonder if they changed the mat morning, afternoon, evening and night. Alright, just walked in. This hotel opened yesterday, so this is day 2 of the hotel. There's a restaurant there. I think it's called the Kitchen Table. Goes upstairs to the lobby. You can also take the lift up. But we'll walk up. Yeah, so it's day 2 of the hotel. They opened yesterday. See what it's like, yeah? Go for a walk round. So this is the lobby. Got the lobby bar over there. Then have evening cocktails. Nice places to sit down here. We've got the check-in, check-out desks there. Hotel pool. Then just over there you've got the hotel gift shop. Sell various kinds of stuff. Go outside. Still afternoon. Yes, these are the hotel gardens. That's the hotel building up there. It's an outdoor drinking area here. So we'll go downstairs, go for a walk around the pool, check out the marina, then up to my room, okay? Well, hey. Nice military chopper flying past there. So it's the hotel pool, the W at Sentosa Cove. Sentosa Cove is it's basically a residential with a few businesses area on the east of Sentosa Island, just off the south coast of Singapore. It's an outdoor bar area there. Just walk over here first and have a look at the marina. Yeah, so those are various hotel rooms up there. Different views depending on which room you stay in. Right, it's the marina. Okay, some really fancy yachts here. Yeah, so this is Sentosa Cove. Alright, check out some of these yachts. That one. So those apartments in the background, they're part of the W residences. So if you come to Singapore for a couple of months, you need somewhere to stay, you can stay there. Sentosa Cove also has apartments you can buy and houses as well. Apartments go for about $1 million over, houses for about $5–10 million. Nearly as expensive as some of those yachts. The Marina Sailing Club, it's that place there, 115. Guess they look after all these boats and stuff. Still some construction work going on there. Yeah, so that's the promenade. It's the promenade and marina here. Okay. Back into the hotel grounds. The W Hotel. Hammocks here as well for you can chill out on. Yeah, this is the hotel pool that we're just walking past. That's the poolside bar. It's a swim-up bar. Just over there, we'll get to in a minute. The marina out there. That's the W Hotel, buildings of the W Hotel here. It's basically a boutique hotel. There's some larger hotels on Sentosa like Shangri, Capella and so on. Yeah, poolside bar. Have a swim, sit there, have a drink. Just carry on now, walking around. All this is brand new. They opened the hotel yesterday. So one of the first few guests here. Check with the staff, they didn't have a huge party yesterday. It's more of a sedate affair. Okay, let's go out the hotel. That's the hotel. There's a red tape there saying that's the entrance to the hotel, but we'll just go out. Got my car to get me back in. So this is normal Sentosa Cove. Anybody can buy a place here and just live here if you want to. These apartments. Got $1 million US to spare. Somebody's car parked there. Seaside's just down there. It's a bit like the Panama Canal. The way the water's higher there. They've got all this metal work. And the water's a different level over there. Nice horizontal palm tree. Okay. Go back into the hotel. Showers after you swim. The hotel pool. So just cut across the grass, there's a Christmas cracker there. It's too big to pull, and it won't even pull if you tried. Yeah, we'll cut across the grass and go back in the hotel, past the spa and the gym. I'll show you my room. My room's 420, which is it's one of those just up there. There's the stairs we came down earlier. We won't go back up the stairs. This is the gym on the left. Hello, how are you? Good afternoon. Well, very polite because it's not a youth hostel. Okay, so we'll go inside. Where's that W sign? There it is, W. This is the spa on the right. This one for massage, pedicure, manicure, facial, you name it. Okay. That's the gym through there. Lift. Yeah, some of the architecture in this hotel is a bit odd. Like the lifts. It's kind of describe it as conservative. Alright, so we just started at the number 1 there, which has got the gym and the spa. Number 2, where we came to earlier on, is the lounge and the lobby. It's up to level 4. So yeah, these are the W residences. Start here. It's the main entrance to the hotel down there. Oh, serious? Hi.
Imported from, hello.
Hello, hi.
Imported from India.
Hi.
Yeah.
Let's just go into my room. Let's go. What is the room? What those people are doing out there. Don't know what those people are doing out there. Alright, so this is a room. They're funny names to rooms at W Hotel. They call them like wonderful, excellent, as opposed to deluxe and superior. Love. It's all bloody meaningless terminology because you never know which is the nice room, right? Yeah, so this is the hotel. Good afternoon. Yeah, that's that 115 marina out there. All those fancy yachts parked out there. The hotel pool. Construction work. More apartments. Private apartments out there. Hotel rooms with I think all rooms have balconies. Best is the rooms on the ground floor. We've got little swimming pools in each one. I think a balcony is nicer. Yeah, there's some really nice yachts out there. It's like Little Monaco. And then way out there you've got the South China Sea. Alright, that's it. It's September the 17th. The hotel opened yesterday. And a quick tour of hotel by one of the first few guests here. W at Sentosa Cove, Singapore. Bye.